For the past 50 years, this home at 5 Benedetto Circle has known joy, each room has held laughter, and now for the first time the door is open to the possibilities for the next owners. Custom built with multi-generational living in mind, it sets a new standard for in-law spaces that will make you question how you ever considered a basement living arrangement for your family members. From the outside, it's got a commanding presence bordered by stone walls and mature landscaping. Inside, 2 side-by-side living spaces combine seamlessly to provide independent living when you want it, and the comfort of knowing your loved ones are close when you need them. Enter the main home into the fireplace living room, where light spills in through a bow window onto the hardwood floors. From there, a dining room is perfect for entertaining, and it leads to both the kitchen and a 4-season sunroom overlooking an expansive yard, accented with stone walls and perennial gardens. Upstairs, there are 4 generous-sized bedrooms as well as a full bath. The layout of the in-law space is almost a mirror image of the main home on the first level and offers 2 large bedrooms and a full bathroom on the second level. The finished lower level with a 3/4 bath features vinyl plank flooring, a beamed ceiling, and an impressive stone hearth ready for your wood stove. Set on a half-acre lot on a cul-de-sac, just 1 mile to Route 95, minutes to downtown Wakefield and Lake Quannapowitt, as well as Linfield's Market Street, it's the perfect juxtaposition of privacy and convenience.